Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the Silky Gomboy. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the pocket saw from Silky, the Gomboy. It comes with this plastic sheet. For opening, you remove the clip that you can also use for attach to the belt. Here you open. And this is our pocket saw. As you can see, I already used that. It's very nice because the blade you can also replace. It's very easy to replace. Just unscrew the ear and you replace the blade that you can find in any store for this kind, also in Amazon. The rubber handle, very nice. For open and close you press here, and you have two lock-in blade. One is the classic, one is like this. The Silky Gomboy is made in Japan. The blade length is 24 cm. Close length is 27 cm. The weight is 270 grams. The type of steel is SK4. Let's see how it's cutting. Now we're gonna cut this small piece. I actually used before also for big and woods, but I will show now this one. Very nice. It's very hard wood. Very nice. Silky Gomboy pocket saw. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.